All right, so when we count, what are we counting? Numbers. And when we count, what question are we answering? How
many?
So we count to find out how many. So today we're going to learn a new counting activity, a new counting game. And after we get really good at it, we'll put it in your math hippopotamuses and you'll be able to do it by yourself. All right? So listen very carefully, and I need you to follow directions. Huh? You ready? Girls, very quickly and very quietly, you need a clipboard and crayons. Quickly. I see one person is ready. Alright, boys, you need clipboard and crayons, but if we run out of crayons, we just have to share. Israel. Nope, just clipboard and crayons today. Nope, we'll share. Let's wait, go get a clipboard. Anna's ready. Can you boys sit on an orange circle so Mr. Greg doesn't step on you? Alright, did everybody get a paper?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and put your paper on your clipboard.
Wait, what about with green?
And it should look something like this. So turn it sideways or horizontal. There you go. Eileen. Turn around, buddy. Got it? Turn around. All right. Everybody look up at the smart board. So when we count, what question are we answering?
How many?
How many? So today we're going to learn how to do see, count, and graph. So we're going to make our first graph. Okay? So we're going to see, we're going to count, and then we're going to graph. Okay? So what do you think we're going to count?
Numbers.
Oh, numbers?
White paper.
What do you see on that paper?
Apples. Apples and crayons.
Okay. What do you see up here on the smart board?
Blue. Apple and glue and crowns.
Are those the same things that are on your paper?
Yes.
Yes. So we're gonna
Lunchbox.
count our pictures, and then when we count them, Chloe's gonna tell us how many. Okay. And then we're gonna make a graph. All right. So everybody look up here, and on your paper, what's the very first picture you see?
Apple.
No.
Crown.
It's a crayon, or I think it's a marker. So look right here. So what do we see?
Crayon.
Crayon or a marker.
Crayon.
Okay. So what are we going to count first?
Crayon.
So everybody look up here at the smart board. And when Mr. Greg points to the crayon or the marker, what are you going to do? Count. What are you going to do?
Count.
All right, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many?
5.
How many? 5. So everybody find your paper and put your finger on the bottom where it's on the marker on the bottom. Good, Danny. Kiana's got it. Israel, the marker on the bottom.
This?
You got it? It's down. Chloe's got it. Very good. So, how many markers or crayons are there?
6.
How many?
5.
5. So how many boxes do you think we're going to color?
5.
So I need everybody to get out one crayon quickly. Whatever color you want. Thank you, Olivia. Chloe's ready? Danny's ready? Jedi's ready? Jeremy, you need crayons?
I'm fine blue.
Nope, don't do anything yet, Chloe. I just said get a crayon. Got it? Okay, so how many markers were there?
1, 2, 5.
Let's count them again just to make sure. You ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many?
5.
So, everybody find that marker on the bottom of your paper? So there were 5 markers. So how many of those boxes do you think we have to color?
5.
So we're going to do it together. You ready? All right. Everybody put your finger on that first box right above the marker. Everybody got that?
Yes.
Right here, Danny. There you go. Everybody's got it?
Yes.
Right here. Don't color your fingernail. Right here, I'll wait. Right here. All right, color that first box and then stop. We're going to do it together. Color 1. Okay. And then stop. Try to stay in the lines. Want it to be neat. Good coloring. Keep your crayon because you're going to need it. So hold on to your crayon. Okay. Now, did we have 1 marker? Or did we have 5?
5.
So are we done coloring? We need to color more.
More.
All right, so we're going to color the next box. We're going to go on top of that one.
Yes.
Okay?
Go.
So we're going to color another box. So now we're up to 2 boxes.
More.
Good job, Shadai. Keep your crayon. Hold on to your crayon because we're going to keep using it.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
How many boxes have we colored so far?
2.
2, but we have to go to
3.
5. So do we need to color another one?
Yes.
All right, so let's color another box.
Let's say 3.
Another one. This one.
At 3.
Color another one. Color those one. There you go. We need 2 more to make 5. Okay. So, are we to 5?
No.
No. So do we need to color more?
Yes.
All right. Let's color another one.
That's okay if I'm done with the ground.
I mean, Israel, you're done. Stop. Let's wait. Color again.
3, 4, 5.
Good. Thank you, Angelina.
I color 5. Wait, is this 4?
All right. So let's see how many boxes we have. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And we have how many markers? 5. So do we need 1 more box?
Yes. I color mine 5. There
That
were
is
5.
fine.
Count it.
Count.
5. Hey, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
Got 5.
I go to 5.
Good job, this way. All right. So we counted how many markers? 5. Let's see if we colored 5 boxes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many?
5.
5. So we made a graph.
5.
5. All right, now come over here on this side. of your paper. Everybody find the marker. I want you to put your finger on that marker. Stop. Right here. On the very. Thank you. Good. Thank you, Jordan. Everybody got that marker on the top?
Yes.
So how many markers are there?
5.
How many?
5.
So what number should we write?
5.
So we're going to write the number 5.
5.
Very good.
Mondo,
Good
5.
job.
5.
Good.
So Mr. Greg is
Good. So how many markers are there?
5.
5. Israel, write a 5.
Make it like Mr. Greg. 5.
That's okay. One time I couldn't do 5, but I learned.
All right.
And do it in yellow. And do it over mine.
Mr. Greg, how can you make
Over the 5.
Thank you. So how many?
5?
All right. Pick a new crayon, but it has to be a different color.
Okay.
Pick a different color.
I'll pick a different color. You already did.
All right. Are we ready?
Yes! They won't wet.
Okay.
Can
You
I
okay,
put
do you?
it on Mr. Greg?
Okay. Oh no.
Standing right in front of
Oh, you're fine. Totally okay. It's real world.
Mr. Greg, can I color this one?
Everybody got a new crayon?
Yes!
All right. Go to your bottom of your paper. Put your finger on the marker on the bottom. And now I want you to move your finger over to the next picture.
Crayons!
What is it?
Crayon!
Crayon. So what are we going to count?
Crayon.
All right, hold on, guys. Let me check the camera. You guys are doing an awesome job. Mr. Greg is so proud of you. All right, we're good. Here we go. Everybody got your finger on that crayon?
Easy.
All right. So what are we going to count?
5.
Nope. The
Crayon.
crayons. So here are our pictures. So when I touch the crayons, what are we going to do?
Count. 1.
We're going to start over.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We ready?
Yes.
Danny, right pen.
Oh, like 1 and 0?
You got it.
Okay. Right here, Mr. Greg?
You got it. All right, let's look at our pictures. So we had the marker,
Lunchbox.
the crayons,
No.
and what's next?
Lunchbox.
So we'll go back to our pictures. What are we going to count?
Lunchbox.
Are we ready?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
How many lunch boxes?
3.
Come back to your paper. So we're going to color how many boxes?
3.
So let's do it together and let's go a lot faster this time. We need to color how many?
3.
3. 1.
1.
Color another one. 2.
3. 2.
And then another one.
3.
3. And then you can stop.
Another one?
Tiana's ready.
Another one?
Hold on. Did I get 3 boxes? Good, Miriam. Good. Good, Josue. All right, let's count and make sure we got 3. Everybody ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, let's try that again.
1, 2, 3.
How many?
3.
So what number am I going to write?
3.
How many lunch boxes?
3. 3. Okay, I need 3. Like this. Like this, Mr. Greg?
You do it.
Jeremy. You like a C. You like a C. Jeremy. You like a C?
All right. What's the next picture that we have to count?
Apple.
All right, everybody get a different color.
Red, right?
Doesn't matter what color. Tiana's ready. Josue is ready. Miriam's ready. All right. So what are we going to count this time?
Oh, apples.
What is it?
Apple.
So let's count the apples. Are we ready?
Yes.
I want to hear good counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many?
8.
All right, we're going to do this one together slowly since there are a lot of them. So we have to do how many?
8.
8. You ready? We'll do them together. Color one box and stop. Israel, stop. All right, everybody ready?
Yes.
Miriam, you ready?
Yes.
Angelina's ready? All right, color another box. And stop. Let's count and see how many we have.
1, 2,
We have to go how many?
8.
8. Are we to 8 yet?
No.
All right, let's color another box. And then stop.
3.
All right, let's count.
1, 2, 3.
Are we to 8?
No.
Color another box.
And stop.
All right, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that to 8?
No.
What are we going to do?
1.
Color another one. And then stop.
I'm done.
All right, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Are we to 8?
No.
All right, let's color another one. And then stop. Okay, Israel, you're done. So put your hands in there. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Oh, Miriam's still coloring. We'll wait for Miriam. Angelina's coloring. Ready to count? Hold on. No, sit down.
6.
All right, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are we to 8?
No.
So what are we going to do?
Another one.
Color another one. And then stop. All right, everybody ready?
Yes.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
Are we to 8? So
No.
what are you going to do?
Another one. Another one. And one more. Now we are 8 now. 8. 8. It's 8. I know it's 8.
We ready?
Yes.
All right, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many?
8.
And how many apples were there?
8.
So are we done?
Yes.
What number are we going to write?
8.
How many?
8.
So what number?
8.
Remember it. Make an S and close the gate.
How? I made it.
You're done.
I'm gonna S and backwards 3 and that's
Dorvin,
and that's 8.
write an 8, buddy. All right, how many apples were there?
8.
All right, what's next?
Count.
Blue. So what are we going to count?
Blue.
All right, make sure you get a different color.
The other one.
Ready? right, so what's next?
Glue.
Glue. So what are we going to count?
Glue.
All right, here we go. Let's go back to our pictures. Let's count the glue. Are we ready?
Yes.
Oh, are you ready?
Yes! 1, 2.
What do we have to do before we can count?
Point.
We have to point and touch. Let's try that again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many?
6.
How many?
6.
So let's start coloring. Remember, we're going to do it together. So color one box
Stop.
and stop. So how many?
6.
Let's count. 1. Are we to 6?
No.
So what are we going to do?
Keep coloring.
Keep coloring. Color another one. And stop. Should I hurry? Ready, Chloe? Ready, Olivia? All right, let's count.
1, 2.
2. Are we to 6?
No.
What do we need to do?
Other one.
Color another one. And then stop. All right, are we ready?
Yes. Yes.
Let's count and see if we're to 6 yet. Here we go.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Are we to 6?
No.
So what are we going to do? All right. We ready? All right, let's count. See if we made it to 6.
1, 2, 4. 4.
Is that 6?
No.
What are we going to do? Y'all are so smart.
6 is the first 5. I know it's 5. 5.
All right, let's count.
5.
Ready? Got to touch it first, remember?
Point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are we to 6?
No.
What are you going to do? Color another one.
Stop. Turn 6.
Let's wait, color another one.
Think of 6. I think of 6. 6.
Think we're 6?
3, 4,
Hold on.
5, 6.
I see Danny's ready.
6.
Miriam, Angelina, Genesis, Chloe looks ready. Jesus is ready. Kim's is ready. All right, let's count and see if we made it to 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many?
6.
Did we get it?
Yeah.
So what number do we have to write?
6. Stick up. Look at it. You gotta write 6
You can
on
do
the
it.
bottom. 6.
A circle. Good.
Like this.
Good job. A circle, Chloe. Good. Good. Very good. Good. You got it.
Now math. Spinning
Got a
math.
6. So how many bottles of glue were there?
6.
6. All right. One more. Josue, you ready? Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. We gotta wait on Josue, guys. There you go, Josue.
The next one is a glow. The word. The earth.
All right. It's called a globe. Good job, Chloe. What is this last one? All right. Did everybody get a different color? All right. So we're gonna count the. What are we gonna count?
The globe.
The globe. What is it called?
The globe.
Globe. What is a globe?
It's something that helps you tell where are you? Where the word on the clip.
That's right, it tells you what part of the world is what. So it's a map of the world. So we ready to count the globe?
Yeah.
All right. And remember, what does a good counter have to do?
Point.
Here we go. I want to hear good counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many? Ready? Let's count.
1, 2, 3.
How many?
3.
Are we to 5? What are we going to do? Oh, we're not ready to count yet. We still have friends coloring.
Now I know it's 4.
All right, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are we to 5?
No.
What are we going to do?
We're 5. 5. 5.
Hello?
5.
Okay. Oh, good. Okay. Got it? Let's count and see how many. Let's count. Oh, wait, hold up. Hold up. Somebody got too fast. Let's try it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many?
5.
So what number am I going to write?
5.
So how many globes are there?
5. I'm just like this, Mr. Greg. Like this, Mr. Greg.
Good job. Good job, Israel. Everybody looks good. You guys did a great job with our first C count graph. So, can somebody look at their graph and tell me which one has the most? What picture is that?
10.
But what's it a picture of?
Crowns.
The crayons. Which one has the most?
The
The
crowns.
crayons is the biggest. Which one is the littlest or the least or the smallest? 3. But what has 3? What is that?
A lunchbox.
The lunch box. So which one is the smallest?
Lunchbox.
The lunch box. All right. Well, Chloe, if this one is the biggest and this one is the smallest, what do you think these are? The middle. They're the middle. All right. So, did we count?
Yes.
Did we find out how many?
Yes.
Did we write numbers?
Yes.
All right. Did you do a good job?
Yes.
All right. Make sure to write your name on your paper.
Okay. I'm ready.